Popular dancehall entertainer Capleton involved in serious car accident. Hi again and welcome. This is the Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A team of police officers are now on the scene of a crash in St. Thomas that's said to involve popular dancehall entertainer Capleton. Police reports are that the entertainer was traveling on a well-known roadway in the parish when the motor car overturned. Sources report that he was removed from the car and taken to a medical facility nearby. The dancehall star Capleton was involved in a serious car crash in the community of Llandewey in St. Thomas early this morning. The DJ crashed and overturned his black Mercedes Benz while driving home from the charity show in the parish. Luckily, the king of the fire, as well as his relatives who were in the car at the time of the incident, escaped unhurt. He and his family were traveling in the car, his brother, his nephew, and his cousin, and they were all okay, just minor bruises. It is a blessing, keep them. Capleton and his relatives were transported to the St. Andrew Memorial Hospital, where they were treated and sent home. Capleton was returning home early Tuesday morning after performing at a charity show alongside Sizzler, which was geared towards community building in St. Thomas. Capleton emerged on the dancehall scene in the early 1980s. A decade later, he has embarked on a Rastafari and is known for a song including Tour, Wings of the Morning, More Fire, Reggae Road, and Jaja City. He's released more than 20 albums and is one of dancehall's eldest statesmen. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.